Solana, one of the biggest crypto platforms in the world right now. It has everything you need from a blockchain and more. But what if it can go for more in the future? Well, stick around as in this video, we are going to talk about price prediction and analysis of Solana and what we think of the Sol coin in the future. You do not want to miss this, so keep on watching. But before we head on to that, welcome everyone to another video from Crypto Cash Out, the awesome channel to go to if you want information about crypto projects. Always remember that when watching our videos, please do not take what we say as financial advice. We never claim to be experts of crypto. We are not financial advisors and we are just fans who want to share crypto information. Please be responsible and do additional research after watching this video. So if it isn't obvious yet, we are going to talk about Solana in this video. If you are new in crypto and have no idea about Solana, then Solana is a crypto computing platform that aims to achieve high transaction speeds without sacrificing decentralization. It makes use of a variety of innovative techniques such as the evidence of history mechanism. It is a platform that is designed to work and be like Ethereum in function. The Solana protocol is intended to make it easier to create decentralized applications, or what are more known as dApps, by adding a proof of history or POH consensus along with the blockchain's underlying proof of stake consensus. It seeks to increase scalability. So now let us take a look at the native coin being used in Solana, which is the SOL coin. Its main use in the Solana ecosystem is to pay for transaction fees. Scary, but do not worry, as transaction fees only cost an average of $0.00025 per transaction, which is not that high if you really think about it. The transaction speed in Solana is also something we should be praising the platform for, as they can outspeed both Ethereum and Bitcoin in that area. But enough about that, and let us actually talk about the SOL coin itself. If we take a look here, we can see that SOL is trading at a value of $37.67, which is, get this, 8.51% from the last day. Is this a good time to buy Solana? Who knows, but it does look like Solana is gearing up for something big, which we will talk about more in a bit. But right now, Solana has a market cap of $13.309 billion, which is really high if you think about it. This market cap allows Solana to take the 9th spot in terms of market cap at the time of writing the script of this video. And it is also a really active platform, as there is a 24-hour trading volume of well over $1 billion. Now, it is important to note other things that may affect the coin in the future, such as inflation. No, we are not going to talk about politics, but we should understand a bit of inflation when it comes to Solana, especially since it is a big market after all. We take a look at Messari.io and we can see that Solana actually has a 7.03% inflation rate. This means that Solana is constantly minting more and more coins. This is one trouble when it comes to networks without a max supply of coins, as the inflation can get pretty out of hand, and 7% is no joke. Hopefully they can find a solution to work around this. A positive that we can see in the website is that they are super bullish in the long run of the coin. 10 years from now, their metrics predict that the market cap of the coin will be at $28.29 billion, more than double. Now, is this possible? Yes, 10 years is a long time from now and a lot of things can change. So I guess we will have to wait and see what will happen with this website. But how about in the short term? What do experts and metrics see from SOL in the future, say next couple of months to a year? For that, we will have to see from a website called Coin Codex, and they use machine learning and AI indicators to make their judgment on things. Here's the thing though. They see the coin struggling in the next month, but will quickly pick themselves up to reach the $60 mark at the start of 2023. But again, they expect the price to drop in the following days, which may be a good time to look more into this crypto. They also show strong buys for the following years of 2024 and 2025 in comparison to the growth of tech such as Google growth and Facebook growth. But the best part of this website is the indicator saying that the coin sentiment is actually 59% bullish. That is huge, which may be a sign to some people that this is a good time to invest. But again, please be careful when doing investments. Research from time to time to avoid losing a lot. So is now a good time to buy SOL? Thinking if it is expected to rise sometime soon, then surely now is a good time, right? Well, for 2022, the cost of SOL can rise significantly if the manufacturers implement crucial changes to reduce network congestion and increase its scalability. In this scenario, the cost might increase to a maximum of $56,902. In contrast, if there aren't any enhancements, the network may experience congestion. It's possible that the cost will fail to at least $38,005. The average price might reach $45,295 if the linear price trajectory is respected. This forecast is from a website called Coinpedia.org. The same website also states that the Solana ecosystem has some huge ups against its rivals. The fast transaction speeds of Solana coupled with the cheap transaction fees, then Solana will always have something to brag about against the competition. However, they still need to work and improve their website. If the aforementioned inflation gets out of hand, then we can see the coin not grow as much with an average price of $49.7 for the year. But if they can somehow overcome that barrier, then we might be looking at the $60 to $90 2023 for the coin. If we take a look at another website from priceprediction.net, we can see that they show the same sentiment. For them, they see the price of the coin to average $70 for 2023. That is not bad growth, doubling your price in a span of a year. They also expect the coin to go as high as $81.93 for the next year. By 2025, they expect the coin to reach at least $140.98, which is really high. Surprisingly, if you don't know, this isn't even their all-time high. They set it in the bullish run in November 2021 for a price of almost $260. That is insane growth for a short amount of time. The website actually predicts that Solana will beat its all-time high in 2027 for an average price of $321.13. So, now is a good time to invest in Solana. Technically speaking, yes. Forecasts and predictions are saying that the coin will grow in the future. Although it can be a little risky if you're investing for the short term, but for 2023, yes. Going even further to 2025, still a massive yes. And like I said earlier, if Solana manages to fix the things that they are lacking in, such as in their inflation rates, then they are setting themselves up for a huge future. In fact, if we wait enough for 2030, priceprediction.net predicts that the coin will surpass the $1,000 mark, which is really interesting. The idea of Solana officially began in the year 2017. Then in March 2020, they officially revealed and debuted it to the public as an open source blockchain platform so that users can use decentralized applications and marketplaces in a fast, safe, and scalable experience. Now with the success of DeFi, Solana has the potential to be the best cryptocurrencies out there, as it is already up there in the rankings and they are still not done improving themselves to give users better experience. They might have some heavy hitters as competition, but that is how it is. If they want to be the best, they must know how to improve themselves from the rest. Thanks for watching the video. Please do us a favor and like the video, as it really helps us a ton so we can dish out more videos like this. You could also subscribe to our channel to help us grow as a channel. Comment down below if you think Solana is just hitting a short slump and can quickly bounce back and have a bullish run this year for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. We have a video on VeChain, so go check it out to learn more about it. That would be it from us today. Thanks for watching and have fun cashing out.